Tiny habit question 11. We are going to solve inequality this time. So 3x minus 4x multiplied by x plus 3, okay, is less or equal to 6 minus square of 2x plus 1. So this is what you can see. Okay, now you can pause and try do this yourself. So let's start solving this. So I will underline the things which I think it's worth to do first. Okay, so this one is quite easy. 3x minus 4x times x is minus 4x squared. Minus 4x times 3 is minus 12x. So this is our left hand side. Okay, is less or equal. And now on the side, what I can do, I can expand this bracket. So if you are in Poland, for example, you most probably you will use this formula to expand this type of the bracket. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so our a is 2x, our b is 1. You can substitute this and find the expression. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this using a grid method. So I'm going to expand this. Okay, so it will be 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 again. Okay, I'm going to multiply this out. So I have 4x squared, 2x times 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 1. So you can see that this expression actually is 4x squared is the same as this, 4x plus 1. Okay, another thing to remember is this minus here. So if I do minus, I need to remember I need to multiply everything by minus in this situation. So let's do this. 6 and then minus 4x squared. Okay, now minus 4x minus 1. Okay, so next step, we are going to cancel something. So if you look carefully, something which looks like quadratic inequality actually becomes a linear inequality, because if I add 4x on both sides, this one cancels. Okay, so what is left is 3x minus 12x, which is minus 9x, is less or equal to, then we have 6 minus 1, which is 5, minus 4x. Okay, another thing to remember is when we have inequality, if it happens that we need to multiply both sides by like negative number or divide both sides by negative number, the inequality here changes. Yes, so let me do on the side like a small example. So for example, if I write 1 is less than 4, yeah, if I multiply this side by minus 1 and this side by minus 1, I will get minus 1 minus 4. So you can see that actually this time this will change. The minus 1 is bigger than minus 4. Okay, so I usually advise my students to avoid remembering this thing. What I advice is to keep the coefficient of x positive. So if I have minus 9x and minus 4x, this one is smaller. So if I add on this side, on both sides, so I will get 0, and this will be 5x. So now you can see I have positive coefficient, and this protects me from changing the inequality. Okay, so now I'm taking away 5 from both sides, so it's minus 5 less or equal to 5x. Okay, now I divide everything by 5. This is the moment when this minus, this dividing by negative would change it, but now it's not changing because we sorted this with positive coefficient, so it's minus 1. okay, is less or equal to x, we can kind of, it's a symmetrical thing, so we can write this way, okay? So this is our final solution. So I hope it was helpful. Please let me know in the comments what type of questions you would like to have. So that's it. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.